Good morning, friends. This is time for the uh, trade plan for our YouTube subscribers for 27th of August 2020. Now, yesterday, by the end of the day, the market saw a surge which was basically engineered by short covering. Okay, short term, there could be some upside, but I am fairly wary of this 11,600 zone on the Nifty. I don't know if many of you recall 10,600 was the budget day low, or the day post the budget the market reversed from 10,600. So that is going to be a serious resistance. Number two, the weekly 20-week moving average is now somewhere at 10,950. So, it is quite possible that we could have an excursion towards that level. Now, when that will happen, from where that will happen, that is difficult to say. But given the overstretchedness of our market, either you buy on intraday declines, like has been the advice earlier, or just simply wait for a shakeout and uh, you know long positions getting taken off before you try to get long, because from here there is going to be all kinds of volatility. When you see a rally, people will come in to sell. When you see a decline, people will come in to buy. So I think somewhere, the market is getting to a point from where a significant reversal should happen. Now, whether that will start today, tomorrow, I don't know. But if you are long from yesterday, your trailing stop should now be 11,480 to 500. Financials look like they have a bit of steam, but you should also remember that financials is that final pocket which had not rallied thus far, and this could be a final flourish even in the banks. So, having said that, you are at a bit of a turning point. Now, turning point does not mean today at 10 o'clock it turns, but turning point means that slowly, the wheels start to come off, and I would be fairly cautious at current levels, and that you can easily make out from my uh, talk here. So if you have to buy as close to 11,480 as possible, and if you want to sell, any sort of rally towards 11,600 should be used to sell. For the day, if you have to look for individual stocks, I think RIL and Kotak Mahindra could be a couple of stocks you could look at. But in general, I would be a bit wary of being way too long in the market. So that message remains. Bank Nifty has already rallied about 5 odd days. So again, be cautious where rallies have been large. That should be it for the day. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.